Hi, I'm reviewing the BEAUTLOHAS Space Savers Pants Hangers. Here it is. It can accommodate 5 pairs of pants, leggings, jeans, skirts, scarves, ties, whatever you can fit on here. It will accommodate roughly 30 pounds of whatever you put on it. It's made out of stainless steel. The rollers are EVA padded foam. So here it is. It's 14.6 high, 14.2 wide. The joints are all welded, and they swing out, the bars, the handles swing out 300 degrees. So they unhook from this side and they swing out 300 degrees like this. So there's a little hook here and they swing out right here like this. You put your garment on here and they hook right back into here like this. Okay, the width is relatively the same as a standard pants hanger, as you see. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The bottom one doesn't swing out, it's stationary right here. So there it is, and the hook doesn't swivel at all. It remains stationary, so it doesn't move. So there it is. It's a nice, it's nice. It's heavy duty. This is this won't bend. It's very, very strong. Like I said, it'll hold 30 pounds. The foam is nice and thick, and the arms all swing out. The 4 of them do anyway. The last one is stationary. So there you go. It's a nice space saver for those of us who have limited closet space. I think most of us do, or we just have too many clothes. I don't know which it is. So 14.6, 14.2. Thank you for your time.